Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore some amazing garden ideas that can truly transform your outdoor space, making it not just beautiful, but a place where you'll love to spend time. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy patio, these ideas are designed to help you make the most of your space. Let's dive right in. Bring color to your garden with flower beds. Nothing brightens up a garden like vibrant flowers. Think about mixing annuals and perennials to ensure you have color throughout the year. Annuals bloom beautifully for one season, while perennials come back year after year. Consider planting in layers or using raised beds to add dimension. Even if space is tight, container gardening lets you play with colors and arrangements, giving you a burst of blooms wherever you like. Create cozy seating areas for relaxation. Your garden isn't just for plants, it's for you too. Think about creating inviting seating areas where you can unwind. Use weather-resistant furniture and accessorize with cushions, throws, and outdoor rugs to make the space cozy. If you're working with a larger area, a pergola or a garden gazebo can offer shade and structure. For smaller spaces, a simple bench under a tree or a hammock could be perfect. Add serenity with water features. There's something magical about the sound of water in a garden. Even a small fountain or bird bath can add a sense of calm and attract wildlife. If you have more space, consider a small pond or a waterfall feature. These water elements not only enhance the beauty of your garden, but also create a soothing atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation. Make your garden functional with practical enhancements. A beautiful garden is great, but it also needs to be functional. Start by designing clear and practical pathways with materials like gravel, stepping stones, or wood chips. This makes it easier to navigate your garden and gives it a more polished look. Don't forget about tool storage. Keep your garden tools organized with sheds, storage benches, or wall-mounted racks. And if watering your plants feels like a chore, consider installing an irrigation system to keep everything lush without the hassle. Elevate your space with vertical gardening. Maximize your garden's potential by going vertical. Whether you're short on space or just want to add more visual interest, vertical gardening is the way to go. Use trellises for climbing plants like roses or ivy, or install a living wall with vertical planters filled with herbs, flowers, or even veggies. Hanging baskets are another great option, adding layers and depth to your garden. There you have it, some simple yet effective garden ideas that can help you turn your outdoor space into a personal paradise. Whether it's adding a splash of color with flowers, creating a peaceful retreat with water features, or making your garden more functional and beautiful with practical enhancements, these tips are here to inspire you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration. Let's create gardens that not only look good but feel good too.